In this section, you will learn how to implement the edit book feature of the books management module in our bookstore website project. And this is our task list in this section. First, we need to create an edit book service class to handle a request to edit a book, to show books details to be edited. And then we need to update the book form page to display all the details of the book and allow the admin to update information of the book. And when the admin clicks the save button on the edit form, Java Servlet called update book service is invoked, and we need to update the book services class to provide a method to update the book details into a database. And this is a user interface designed for a book in edit mode. You see, it's similar to create a new book. Let's see the category drop-down list display as a category of the book. So this drop-down list must show the category belong to the category that contains the book. And the admin can change the book image by clicking on the browse button here. And the admin can update a title, author, ISBN, published date, price, description, and we also need to perform validation on this form. All fields are required. Click the save button. The book details are saved into the database, and refresh the book list page. And click the cancel button, return to the previous page. So basically it looks very similar to the new book form, except that on load it displays the detail of the selected book. And this is the activity diagram that describes the flow of updating a book.